I'll tell you why we do it. The objective here to optimize visual learning by aligning fretboard video presentations with the physical and spatial reality of the instrument. What does that mean? It sounds quite wordy. Well, simply, if we are this person trying to learn to play the guitar, we want to be spending all of our cognitive mental energy trying to learn the specific thing we're trying to learn, whether that be how a song works, a scale works, how chords work, and not spending our mental energy flipping the guitar around in our mind. The easiest way to do that is not to be looking at the guitar as though someone is sitting in front of us playing the guitar, because the directionality of the fretboard will be opposite to what we are doing. You might think intuitively that makes sense because that's what you would probably be doing if you're trying to observe someone. That's the easiest place to sit in order to observe what they are doing. And you might say, hey, look, they're playing the guitar with their left hand on the fretboard, their right hand picking, and so on and so forth. So it should be me doing the same thing with the same hands. However, it's actually a lot easier for us to mirror what is happening as though we are playing the guitar into a mirror. That will align where the fretboard has the low string on top. And when I look at a shape, I can easily line it up to what I'm doing in the same directional pattern. And I can also line up my worksheets, which will make an argument for having the top string on top with them as well, having everything going in the same direction. If you do this, then you're spending way less cognitive energy trying to rotate the guitar, rotate the worksheet around in our mind, allowing ourselves to spend all of our time, all of our energy on a specific task, which is one of the things you really want to be able to do when you're learning something like the guitar. Sometimes you want to learn to train your fingers. If I'm training my fingers, I want to pick a specific training tool to train the muscle memories of my fingers. If I'm trying to learn a scale position, then I might be working on the guitar, or I might be working with an Excel sheet or something like that. I want to have everything lined up so I could spend all of my energy on that one thing and not be trying to split my mental capacity around multiple different things so that I can achieve particular goals. So oftentimes something like the guitar, you can think of it as a series of smaller goals. You break down into smaller chunks, and then you go after that one thing with veracity until you basically just have it, right?